I'm going to show you how to check send friend request on Snapchat. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your Snapchat right here. And once you're here, just look at the top left corner. And once you tap here, scroll all the way down till you find add friends. And once you're in add friends, you need to look at the top right corner again where you can see 3-dot button. Once you tap here, you would see options like hidden from quick add, ignored from added me, and recently added by me. Select the last option and they won't automatically show you if you're friends with them or not, or if they've accepted your friend request. So you just need to tap on your profile to see whether they have accepted your friend request. So right here you can see that I've sent them friend request, but I cannot see their snap score, so it probably means that they've not yet accepted. So that's how you check send friend request on Snapchat.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.